Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of Emporitum Numerical Challenge. Let's see the solution of the last question. So here, the increasing order of the asymptotic complexity of the following functions are, first we will have is f3, then f2, then f4 and then we have is f1. So let's see how. So here the functions that are given to us are 2 to the power n, n to the power 3 by 2, n into log n and n raised to the power log n. Now among all the four functions except for f3, all the other functions are exponential and the time complexity of exponential is higher compared to the linear. So we will have f3 first in the ordering. So n log n is the smallest among all these. Now among the remaining functions 2 to the power n, n to the power 3 by 2, n log n. Now there are two ways to decide which will come next in the ordering. First is we can take any value of n, substitute and calculate the value. The other option is we can take the log of all values. So let's take the logarithm. So if I take the logarithm, this will be n log 2, this will be 3 by 2 log n and this will be log n into log n, right? Now if I remove this constant part, here it is n, here it is log n and here it is log n into log n, right? So the order of growth of the first function, that is log of f1n, is nothing but equivalent to some theta n. Similarly, order of growth of the f2n is nothing but some theta log n, and the order of growth of f4n is nothing but some theta log n into log n. So among this we can see log n is the smallest, so f2 will come next in the ordering. Then we have log n into log n. This is smallest compared to n value, right? So f4 will come next in the ordering and the highest among this is f1 and the first in the ordering was f3. So this is the correct ordering. So see you in the next video with the next Emporitum numerical challenge.